Hey guys, welcome back. This might have been 2 weeks, but it's alright. It always takes like 2 weeks or so. Okay, I have no idea why I'm on the big screen. Let's go down to both. This time we're gonna be playing some Treasure Hunt Simulator. So let's play. Hopefully this doesn't take forever. So yeah. If you haven't, as we're waiting for this to load up, if you haven't, let's see if you can hit the like back button in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hopefully you hit the like button. So yeah. Hopefully this will be done soon, because I don't have all the time in the world, I see. Come on, hurry up already, Roblox. This is taking forever already. As you are waiting, you can wait, go back. See, there's a black hole shovel, name tag, and there's pets now. It doesn't say in brackets that has been upgraded or anything. It did say upgrading Roblox, so it might be upgrading. So yeah. Please. Is this finally working? Yay. Well then. Yay. Stop. Now. Okay, what? I'm trying to move my mouse and it's not oh! Tomorrow today. Okay. I'm gonna have to put that away. And I'm on Epic. Okay. Okay. Okay, I guess this has changed a lot. Oh, the memories. Why don't know? Oh, there, now I can. You know what? I'm gonna move the corners closer this way. Let's sell my sand first. Okay, do I have an empty backpack? I have no idea what's going on. Okay, I have a pet kind of following me. Candyland, unlock at 5,000. Unlock now. Okay. I can't do that yet. So much things. It's new on this. Toy Island? What the heck? Can I go here? It's a Toy Island? Oh, Dad! I'm doing a YouTube video, don't scare me! My dad gives me frights all the time. And what is this? Can I go for here now? Of course I can. Of course, thinking. Okay, can I try now? Why is everything always frozen? Look, I can do everything except dig. You know what? I'm going in this hole. It doesn't look like someone is down here. Oh my god. I was wrong. I have no idea what's happening. I think I'm helping him. I don't know. Nothing seems like it's filling up. Guys, you know what? Just help me by hitting the subscribe button. It's gonna help me a lot. Please help the subscribe button. That might help. Okay, you know what? I'm going back to the surface. Let's just sell my sand. Jump, jump, jump. Now let's see if I can actually go to the shop. Because I have a lot of cash. And will this work? Or I have to hit this. Okay, I think this won't work for a while. I guess I'm gonna just go out and play a different one for now. And maybe try a different video. You never know. Yeah. Okay, let's just go into games. And let's see what... Okay, I was trying to find this, but now I just found it. Okay. Let's just do a quick game, then we might just finish. Jailbreak, we might be a prisoner, then a police cop. We're gonna play one of each. If we don't make it to play both, I'm gonna be sad, but we might do that next video. We never know. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. I'm trying to do something. Hello. Okay, there. I'm good. So yeah. Okay. What's that shaking going on? Prisoner first or police? I did just say we're gonna do prisoner first and police, but I think we're gonna be actually stick to that. Let's confirm. Why do we start outside already? Oh. Wait. You could just try to jump off onto the roof. It seems freezing. Wait, am I the police? Or am I the cop? It happened to my face! Oh my god. My face, I swear I haven't had my face like this. Wait, I know one way out without a key card. Well, I need to double check if there's any cops around. Doesn't seem like it. Can you kick this bit? Oh yes, you can. Oh, it's on the other side, darn it. Sad. We're gonna be free soon. Bingo, over here. Okay.
Wiesz, jak gdzie głowa?
Yeah.
Oka.
Just wait for a second.
Mówiłaś w szkole?
Okay, I'm back. For you, it's just been a second. For me, it's been like, I don't know, a minute or two. Wait, come on. Hold it. Now I look like a proper prisoner. I have no idea what was the glitch. Okay, there. Before it reforms. Okay. Okay. Now we need to get up on this. What would you say? Hell? Or what? Okay, jump up here. Okay, yes, I got escape. Run to hide. Rob. Oh no! There are police already out here. Okay, I'm pretty much the only prisoner going this way. Okay. I just hopefully run and we'll make it. See? Oh, snaky, but I don't think so. Oh, I can punch. Okay. Shift, where's shift? Yes, this is perfect. I can sprint. Oh my god, the police just went right past me in a helicopter. Sorry, I'm just checking my phone. If you see my head going like that, that's just just double checking for my whatever I got on my phone. You might be asking me, where the heck am I going? I have no idea. I'm just gonna run and hopefully find this base. Because I know there's a secret base, but it's faster if you take a car as well. I haven't played this for a while, so yeah. So don't judge. Wait, what the heck? What is that? Why is there water in the middle of nowhere? Oh, there it is. This is the secret base I'm talking about, guys. Right around. Okay. Okay, it should be... No! So weird. You know, I'm gonna just steal some money from this. I'm gonna steal some money from this thing. I'm gonna just end the video then. For gun, wait. Why am I just noticing there's so many shops that like right next to each other? You know, I'm gonna just go to the gas station from there. If I can. Where's the opening for this? Gas station. Gas station door, where are you? Oh my god, if there's no door on here, I'm gonna be mad. Okay, there's officially no door. So I'm just running to the donut. I know there's a door there and there's money. Do I have to sprint? Let's rob. He doesn't even care we're robbing him. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna rob again. Okay, come on, rob. Rob again. Come on. Okay, doesn't have any more money, so I pretty much stole all the money. How much money? $1,000 bucks. 1,000. I do have 1,000, but I don't think. Oh, that's $1 million. I only have 1,000. Yeah, that's $1 million as well. You know what? I'm gonna just. You know what? I'm gonna just end the video here, guys. Why does my face keep on changing? Okay, guys. You know what? I'm good. Goodbye. Hope you have an amazing day. See you next time. Goodbye. Enjoy your day. Okay, bye.